Hey guys, it's my friend Lisa, and guess what? She's a hairdresser. And this is the picture she wants. So we cut some bangers, and that's in a different video. And guys, check out these clips by Liz. You can section all your things off, twist them up on the top, and then you don't have to mess around with it. And it's just done. So I'm going to show you how I do one piece. One piece takes me like 2.5 minutes, but for your viewing pleasure, it took 10 seconds. So now I'm going to do the top section of the head because everybody's got big questions. And dark hair makes light hair pop. So that's why I have that big old section right there. And everybody's petting Lise, like she's so pretty. And then now I'm going to do the front of her face because I really want to concentrate around the face because this haircut really, I'm painting for the haircut, guys. Now I put this tuber so those balayage pieces don't flop right down in her eye and get bleach in her eye because that would suck. And then here's the final result, guys. She looks absolutely gorgeous. By the way, this haircut just styles itself. Guys, don't forget to like, follow, and share.
Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.